Greetings with peace, viewers. Breakfast is often referred to as the most important meal of the day, and for good reason. A healthy breakfast can provide you with the nutrients and energy you need to start your day and keep you feeling full and satisfied until your next meal. Choosing the right foods for breakfast can be a challenge, but incorporating nutrient-dense foods can help set you on the right path for a healthy day. In this video, we will discuss some of the healthiest foods to eat for breakfast that can provide a balanced combination of carbohydrates, protein, healthy fats, and fiber, making you feel energized and focused throughout the day. Before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel by clicking subscribe button and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we upload a new video. Here are some of the healthiest foods to eat for breakfast. Number 1. Oatmeal. A bowl of oatmeal is an excellent source of fiber and can help regulate blood sugar levels. Number 2. Eggs. Eggs are a great source of protein, vitamins, and minerals, including vitamin D, choline, and selenium. They can be cooked in various ways, including boiled, poached, or scrambled. Number 3. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is high in protein, calcium, and probiotics, which can aid in digestion and gut health. It can be topped with fresh fruits or nuts to add extra nutrition and flavor. Number 4. Fruits. Fruits are an excellent source of vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants. Berries, bananas, and apples are great options to include in your breakfast. Number 5. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds, are high in healthy fats, protein, and fiber, which can help you feel full and satisfied throughout the morning. Number 6. Whole grain bread. Whole grain bread is an excellent source of fiber and can be a healthy base for your breakfast. It can be topped with avocado, eggs, or nut butter for added nutrition. Number 7. Vegetables. Adding vegetables to your breakfast can increase your daily intake of vitamins and fiber. You can add vegetables to your omelet, smoothie, or avocado toast. Number 8. Smoothies. Smoothies can be a quick and easy way to pack in a lot of nutrition in one meal. Use ingredients such as spinach, kale, berries, Greek yogurt, and nut butter to make a healthy and filling smoothie. Number 9. Lean proteins. Adding lean proteins such as chicken, turkey, or tofu can help keep you feeling full and provide sustained energy throughout the day. Number 10. Tea. Green tea or herbal tea can be a healthy substitute for coffee in the morning. These teas are high in antioxidants and can help improve digestion and boost metabolism. Number 11. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is a high-protein food that is low in calories. It can be mixed with fruits or nuts to create a balanced breakfast. Number 12. Quinoa. Quinoa is a healthy grain that is high in protein and fiber. It can be cooked and mixed with fruits, nuts, or honey to create a delicious and nutritious breakfast bowl. Number 13. Avocado. Avocado is a great source of healthy fats, fiber, and vitamins. You can add sliced avocado to your toast, omelet, or smoothie to increase the nutritional value of your breakfast. Number 14. Berries. Berries such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are high in antioxidants and can help reduce inflammation. They can be added to oatmeal, smoothies, or eaten on their own. Number 15. Salmon. Salmon is a healthy source of protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which can help improve brain function and reduce inflammation. Smoked salmon can be added to a bagel or omelet for a healthy and delicious breakfast. Number 16. Chia Seeds. Chia seeds are a great source of fiber and protein and can help improve digestion. They can be added to smoothies or mixed with Greek yogurt for a healthy and filling breakfast. Number 17. Whole grain cereal. Whole grain cereal can be a healthy and convenient breakfast option. Choose a cereal that is low in sugar and high in fiber and pair it with milk or yogurt for a balanced meal. Number 18. Tofu. Tofu is a healthy source of plant-based protein and can be added to omelets or breakfast bowls for a nutritious and filling meal. Overall, a healthy breakfast should include a balance of carbohydrates, protein, and healthy fats to provide you with sustained energy and keep you feeling full until your next meal. By doing so, you'll fuel your body for the day ahead and support overall health and well-being. Remember, also stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water and to listen to your body to determine what breakfast choices that work best for you. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more health benefits and tips, please subscribe to this channel. You can also watch other videos suggested just for you. Thank you for watching.